great. Now this time stretch your arms and hold the money like this. Like that. Are you nervous? You're shaking. Are you ready? Okay, you're ready. Now everyone, I want you to meet the twin brother of Bunny or another cute and fluffy secular named Sunny. Come on, Sunny. Alright. Now Sunny loves money, but normally the ones settlers love to pick up things within their nest, and they love picking up their food. But this time, the settler is trained to pick up money. I have 500 pesos, buddy. Be fast, Miss Keisha. What do you do next? Pick your money up. Alright, good bird. Now, climb up to the silent.
Wow!
Good job! Now, bye-bye, Sunny. Oh, where are you going? Oh, I think he's looking for more money. Who has 1,000 pesos? I'm just kidding. Hey, buddy, come back. You need to go down. You already got 500 pesos. Come on. Ready? You need to come closer, sir? Okay, let me remove this one. Alright, good job. There you go. Now, bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 500. Easy money. Miss Keisha, thank you so much. You gotta take your seat, alright? Are you okay? Okay, don't worry, when your money is in good hands, it's safe, and we will keep it for you. Deal? Okay? Wala siya nakuha. Now, who has 1,000 pesos? I need another. Oh, wala yung isa. Okay, just kidding. No, please come back. Hello? Oh, we will return your money. Was it your card? Are you okay? Are you good? Okay, no, please come back. Now, we'll try if Sunny will return your money, alright? We'll see. Now, this time, I want you to stretch your arms up in your palm. So, when Sunny returns the money, just grab the money and not the bird, okay? Okay? Alright. It's 50 pesos, right? 50. It's 500, okay? Now, Sunny, please return the money, buddy. I know you want to more than money. Come on, what can you do? Miss Keisha is waiting.